Okay, here is page 2 of the Unit 2 review. So, we're going to solve A equals 1/3 CD for D. So, literal equation. I got to solve for D. What do I need to do here? I'm going to multiply by 3, multiply by 3. I get 3A over here. This cancels with the 1/3. I'm left with CD. I'm going to divide by C and divide by C. I get D equals 3A over C. Here, I'm going to solve for y. So I got to get this y by itself. I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. Goes away over here. Negative 2y equals negative 3x plus 6. I just put it in front. I'm going to divide by a negative 2 because I got to get y by itself. I'm going to divide each one like this, by negative 2. Over here, I'm left with y equals negative 3 divided by negative 2 is just a positive 3 over 2 x. 6 divided by negative 2 is a negative 3. So x, or 3 over 2x minus 3. Alright, got to solve for x, got to solve for x. Got to subtract b and subtract b, both sides. I get ax, this goes away, equals c minus b. Write it exactly how you say it, c minus b. Solving for x, I need to get this by itself. I'm going to divide by a. I'm going to divide the whole thing by a. X equals c minus b over a. We don't have to split it apart like we do here because we don't have numbers. That would be the most simplified answer. Alright? Which equation is not equivalent to the formula 1/2 x minus 24? So p equals 1/2 times the quantity x minus 24. So let's distribute this out, see what we get. P equals 1/2 x, 1/2 times negative 24 is a negative 12. P equals 1/2 x minus 12, 1/2 x. This is the same. That's not equivalent. What other one can I look? Let's look at this one here. What if I subtracted 1/2 from both sides, 1/2 x? Okay, if I did that, I get p minus 1/2 x equals negative 12. P minus 1/2 x, not that one. These guys here, what can we do here? Well, we can take this original equation, p equals 1/2 x minus 24. Let's multiply each side by 2. It looks like 24 is staying around. So I get 2p equals, this cancels, x minus 24. 2p equals x minus, not that one. Has to be this one. Okay? If we have the 1/2 in there, we can't have the 24. The 1/2, we got to have the 12. Okay? That's the answer. That one's not equivalent. Okay? Another one. Let's distribute this out. Y equals 1/2, 1/3 x, 1/3 times negative 42, which is going to be a negative 14 when you divide that out. Multiply 1/3 times 42. Okay, 1/3 x minus 14. 1/3 x minus 14 equals y. That one is equivalent. I got a 14 here. Let's move this 1/3 over. Minus the 1/3 cancels here. Y minus 1/3 x equals negative 14. Same. Cancel that one. That's the same. Which one's not? Well, they got 1/3 x equals y plus 14. So right here, I'm just going to rewrite this one that we had. Y equals 1/3 x minus 14. Well, they got 1/3 x by itself, so let's move the 14 over here. Move 14, move 14, goes away here. Y plus 14 equals 1/3 x. So 1/3 x equals y. Oh, not that one. That's the same as that. This is the one that's not equivalent. Okay? Solve for x in the following inequality. So, inequalities, same as equations, except if we multiply or divide by a negative, we flip the sign. I'm going to subtract 19 from both sides. Subtract 19. It's negative 7 minus 19, negative 26. Greater than or equal to negative 2x. And divide by a negative 2. Divide by a negative 2. As soon as I do that, I have to flip that sign. I'm going to squeeze it in here. Negative 26 divided by negative 2 is 13. And this is just x. And we can rewrite that as x is greater than or equal to 13. Okay? Over here, I'm going to subtract 3 and subtract 3. I get negative 4x greater than 12. Divide by a negative 4. As soon as I have that negative on the bottom, I got to flip that sign. So this sign gets flipped. This is x. This is negative 3. X is less than negative 3. Alright, we got x's on both sides. Let's get them on one side. I'm going to add 3x to both sides. Add 3x. I get 10 less than or equal to 8x minus 14. I'm going to add 14 to both sides. Goes away over here. 24 less than or equal to 8x. I'm going to divide by 8. Divide by 8. Positive, so I don't have to worry about flipping the sign. I get 3 is less than or equal to x. Now I'm going to put the x over here, and then I have to flip the sign. So I'm just going to flip it. I want the x on the left side. Alright. 17, we're going to distribute. I get 6x minus 18 greater than or equal to 54. Add 18 to both sides. Add 18. Goes away over here. 6x greater than or equal to 64, 72. I'm going to divide by 6 on both sides. I get x is greater than or equal to 12. I'm going to distribute on number 18. I get 20 plus 4x less than 84. Subtract 20, subtract 20, 4x less than 64. Divide by 4, divide by 4. X is less than 16. Page 2, done.